The 2025 Cadillac Sedan DeVille is a bold return of an iconic nameplate, blending luxury, performance, and advanced technology in a way that redefines American luxury sedans. As Cadillac continues its push toward electrification and innovation, the new DeVille is designed to appeal to those who crave both classic elegance and modern sophistication. At first glance, the 2025 DeVille exudes presence, with its sharp yet graceful lines, an elongated body, and a commanding front fascia. The signature Cadillac grille is enhanced with an illuminated crest, flanked by vertical LED headlights that give it a distinctive look day or night. Aerodynamics play a key role in the design, with smooth curves and an integrated rear spoiler that enhance both efficiency and aesthetic. Inside, the DeVille offers an environment of pure luxury, merging classic Cadillac craftsmanship with state-of-the-art materials. Premium leather upholstery, authentic wood trims, and aluminum accents create a refined atmosphere. The cabin is designed for supreme comfort, featuring massaging seats, ambient lighting with customizable themes, and a panoramic sunroof that brings in natural light. Cadillac's attention to detail extends to its noise-canceling technology, ensuring a whisper-quiet ride even at highway speeds. Technology is at the forefront, with a massive OLED curved display spanning the dashboard, seamlessly integrating the instrument cluster and infotainment system. Cadillac's latest infotainment suite includes AI-driven voice controls, an advanced augmented reality navigation system, and a 5G connectivity hub for seamless streaming and over-the-air updates. A 38-speaker AKG premium audio system delivers an immersive sound experience, making every journey feel like a private concert. Under the hood, the 2025 DeVille is available in both hybrid and all-electric configurations, offering a blend of performance and sustainability. The hybrid model features a twin-turbo V6 engine paired with an electric motor, producing over 450 horsepower, while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. The all-electric variant, built on Cadillac's Ultium platform, delivers up to 400 miles of range on a single charge, with a dual-motor setup providing exhilarating acceleration and precise handling. Safety and driver assistance technologies are among the most advanced in the industry. Cadillac Super Cruise, now enhanced with hands-free city driving capabilities, allows for a semi-autonomous experience on a growing network of mapped roads. The vehicle is also equipped with a comprehensive suite of sensors and AI-powered predictive safety features, including automatic emergency braking, lane centering, and adaptive cruise control that adjusts to road conditions in real time. The return of the DeVille nameplate is a testament to Cadillac's commitment to blending tradition with modernity. It's a statement of American luxury redefined for the future, offering an experience that is both exhilarating and supremely comfortable. The 2025 Sedan DeVille is more than just a car. It's a symbol of prestige, innovation, and timeless elegance.